draw this up against the bottom of the ball.
Okay.
So it's like that.
All right.
You can go ahead and put these up if you want.
Wait, let's get. I gotta turn this all the way down so it's tight.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll go get a wrench.
Okay, these chains go here.
How are we doing?
Okay, you're just showing me.
Hang on to that. This has to be signed here. I have a pen here. But I guess you don't have to do it right now, I don't think. We're just right here. Don't you think that's appropriate? Let me see here. What? Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Now, here's what you have to do. You have to hold that down.
Right.
To make it so that you can release it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You told me it's just tighten up over here. Yeah. Okay, I see that.
Yeah.
So
You want to make sure.
Release, tighten it down. You want to take it off, push it down.
Yeah. And if you use it like this way, it's usually a lot easier to tighten it down. Now you don't want this to really. You might want to put this in further because you don't want that too tight, because when you go around the corner that it might stretch. Okay, so when you get home, put this up another notch. Okay? Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to be all ready. Now this is what I was telling you about.
Okay. Break forward.
All right. Yeah. And this goes somewhere in here. When you get this a little closer, see? Not on that. Oh. You have to. Here, maybe we can do it on here for now.
Okay, what is it?
This is your brake. See? This is your brake.
If this should break loose, this will pull on this and
Yeah.
automatically set the brakes on this.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this will stop.
Yeah. Okay. Now we're all ready to do this. Now the first thing you do, to be sure now, when you want to run this without the car, put that over in there. See? And when you want to make sure though that whenever no car that goes over there, because otherwise you're going to have problems. Now, this way is when you don't have a car. This one here is the way that you want to when you drive your car on.
Looks like get it over here.
See?
Yeah, okay.
That's the wheels turning.
Yeah.
Okay, so
You
now
want those turn only when you got a car on?
that's the only time you want it to turn is when you have a car on. Okay.
You see these two real good?
Now, put these down and drive your car on. Now, the first time you do start trying to drive it on there, you're going to have a problem. Good how it fit it. Yeah, so maybe you're better off than mine. You'll get this later. There we go.
Get some real good close pictures.
Yeah. Okay, now you want to drive it on?
Yeah.
Okay. While you're driving it on, I'm going to get the rest of the material.
Okay.
Put on the wheels.
All right.
Twist it a little bit. There. I'll go ahead again. Go ahead. Now communicate. Okay, straight back. Right? Straight now. Put the wheel straight. Let's go. Fine.
Not how much further.
Another couple of feet. More. There you go. Watch this side.
Got it.
Come back. Take a look at it first. This is perfect over here, but this is needs a little.
I don't know why.
And then
This is where I said I either adjust the size of the fence
yeah,
or move the
see,
curve.
look it over here. Well, this goes pretty good now. I think we can almost pull it down if you wish. Want to do that? Let's see.
You're only off by an inch.
Yeah, we're going to have to back it up though, then I'm going to drop this in, see? Start your engine, back it up, you won't go over the top,
Okay.
and then I'm going to drop this down. This has to be in while you're driving, because otherwise you're going to drag those on the ground.
Oh yeah.
See? Okay. You leave
You're
this
saying
out.
that the when I go back with the weight.
Yeah.
You don't need to be down there when you're backing up.
No. Okay. All right. There it goes. That's all there is to it.
You get that on film?
Yep.
Like that, see?
It seems like it's kind of low over here, you know, the ramp.
It'll be all right, I think. This is a pretty big tire. Now, I put these chains on here because
Sometimes they come off.
when you take this out, then some little paint on it, that's all. Then you won't lose them.
Should I have had a brake on right now, or should
No,
I be
no.
I got it parked right now.
first time is the
I got it in park, so that's basically gonna force the rear wheel to lock, right? If you're turning this, I think that's gonna make it jab it. But I think I should put it in neutral.
yeah. I think that that'd be good.
All right. Yeah.
That's tight. To it after you get going a couple times.